Alright, welcome everybody once again. This is our fourth session, and today we are gonna take care of our business from 300 to 370. Let's see what we can do. Alright, we are waiting here for the best time. Meanwhile, let me tell you, I'm providing the account management services plus this strategy there where I'm working and I'm making money is also for sale. You can contact me and I can guide you that how to do. That's it. Here we go. Let's do some business. And as usual, we won our first trade. Now we are gonna do some martingale. Let's see if we can make it or not. I'm waiting for the right moment here, and it seems to be appears here. Let's see. I take a call for down. Will it? Yes, it will. So we are on 328 right now. Target is 370. We will go with 13 on this point. I will wait for the right moment. And here I got the right moment. Let's see if we can make money on this point. Yes, here we go. So let me tell you a bit here. All the things, whatever I see on this graph here. That's the points. Market is right now 7,088.89, and that's the graph where I see that where it's gonna go. My predictions from this point. Alright, we are on 340. Now we are going with $15. Let's see where we will be. Right, we are waiting for the right moment. See, once again I will tell you, what is the most important thing? Money management. If you don't know how to manage your money, you will lose your all money.
Audio Jungle.
We'll take a call for down. Let's see, will it close on down? Yes, it will. We are on 355. Let's go with 17, and with one trade we are gonna close the day. We are waiting for the right moment. It's not that much easy. Just have a look here and see when I will take an entry. Waiting for the right moment. Sometime we have to wait. Alright. Let's see if it goes in our favor. And I take an entry for down. Let's see will it goes in my favor. Seems to be not so far. And we lost this entry. We are on 338. On this point what I will do, I will go with 18. Sometimes we are very near and they push us very far behind once again, and we have to reach there. And I hate this part most, but never mind, we can do this. All you need to do is believe in yourself. It's been like only 4 minutes today. I'm working with from last 4 minutes I already make $38. You also can make money from this like this. See, I take an entry for up. Let's see will it goes. It is going, and yes, we are now 355. Once again my call will be for $16 and we will be on our target. Here we go. I take an entry for down. Let's see if it will be in our favor. So far it's going down, down and down, and boom, we are at 370. Target is achieved. What I'm gonna do, yesterday I made 80, so today at least should be 80. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we will make like 75 and 75, and within 7 days we will be in our target of $500. And here I go, I take an entry for up. Let's see where it will goes. It can goes against down, against my favor, and yes, it closed down. So now I will go with 21. We are on 359 right now. As I told you, sometime in trying to reach the goal very near, it's keep pushing us away from very near again and again. So on that point you have no need to get panic. You have to be patient and you have to believe in yourself basically. Yes, you can. That's what is most important. Alright, we are waiting here for our next trade. That's the time I took an entry. Let's see if we can win this trade. Oh, boom, 379. I'm in a bit risk mode. Let's take another trade. It's been only 6 minutes. So you can increase your target like this as I am doing right now. First target was 70 and then I make it 80. Now I'm making 90. Yeah, but make sure that you have in your mind that where I can put myself for the loss, because there should be a range for loss as well as for profit. You cannot do like this that you are making $10 and you are losing $20. That will be a bad thing for you. So I made a call for down here. I think it's a bad idea. The last tick will tell us. No, that was a good idea. Oh wow, we are at 390. Now one more trade and we will be at 400 and I will be done for the day. Market is in my favor, so I'm taking some risk. At least I need to work for 10 minutes per day, you know. Otherwise people say from where I'm making the money. It's a bad thing, huh? So I make a call for up. And I lost this trade. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make myself happy with my angle here because I'm already in good profit. So I will wait here for the right moment. Sorry. Done. I'm in for the downtrend. Let's see will it goes down. Boom. Sorry. We have reached on 400. So we are done for the day within 8 minutes and 30 seconds. It takes me to make $100. Would you like to make it? If yes, do contact me. I will teach you how to make it. Best of luck till tomorrow. See you tomorrow everyone. Goodbye.